Hi, welcome to BONITA'S Kitchen and thank you for joining us. Well, today we're not going to be doing anything fancy, but we were going to put together a little bit of a brunch for ourselves and we thought we'd share it with you. And this is for bacon wrapped potato tots, and they're done in the air fryer. Quite simple, not a lot of work to it. And I was thinking of sharing it with you guys because you never know. This might be something that you'll enjoy making for your family. So if this interests you, stick around and let's get started. BONITA'S Kitchen. Do yours. So of course you see here on the table is not a lot to this, so we won't make a big deal of it. These here are frozen still as these little tater tots, and I got the bacon cut. It's just a regular bacon. You pick the smoky one or whichever one you like. I got that cut into halves, and all it is pretty much is take your tater tot, roll it up in the piece of bacon, and then continue doing that, of course, until they're all done. And over here into my salt shaker, I have got a little bit of sea salt, coarse sea salt, pepper, and some onion powder, because that's usually my three seasonings that I like using on a regular basis. And we're going to be cracking some of that over the top of this. Show you more of that. So I got the recipe down for you for a bag of tater tots and a pack bacon and such. But depending on who you're making it for, how many, you judge. Because again, you could make as many as you want or as less as you want. If you only just want a few in there for yourself and you know, another family member, that's fine too. So we're just going to do a few here now to show you. And so this is pretty much, that's it. I sprayed my grill of the air fryer, and everybody's air fryer varies, and just put these on that, and then that'll take all of that grease from the bacon fat and put it to the bottom. And then I'm going to show you what to do next. Just want to wash my hands down now to get that bacon grease off. So that little melody of salt, pepper, and onion powder, I got into my shaker here. Just put a little sprinkle of each. What I'm going to do next is put this in my air fryer on French fries, which is the 400 degrees Fahrenheit section, and let it go for the full 10 or 15 minutes, whatever it says on your air fryer, and then check it. I'm going to show you that. So now I got a few extra tater tots, potato tots off to the side here, because not everybody wants the bacon wrapped in the tater tots. They're delicious, but you might want a few extra on the side. So pretty much just put it in your air fryer in the section that you find works best for you. It's the best, because this one is a little different. But do it up, turn it on 400. And that's on the, they calls it chips, but the French fry section. And it's 15 minutes. Turn it on to that, let it go, check it, and then after that, let it go until it starts to get crisp. And I'll show you that. It may only take 15 minutes, but it could take longer, varying on your air fryer. So let's look at that now in a few minutes. Okay, so the first section of cooking it is done. As you can see, it's a nice golden brown. A lot of the grease is off it. I'm going to keep it in for about another 5 minutes or so. And again, your air fryer may be different, so just cook it until it's nice and crispy. And I'm going to show you that now. We'll take it out after and show you. So now I'm going to take those delicious bacon wrapped tater tots out of that oven, and I'm going to show you what they look like. Oh my gosh, gosh, they smell absolutely delicious. Now what I'm doing here now is just draining off the oil that's in the bottom of that pan, just so that excess oil we don't need, of course, and that's the glory of putting the grate on top of your air frying pan. So this is it, just look at them. I can see you making these today, and just put them in a tray, serve them directly on the plate. Again, having a few extra tater tots off to the side. I got some boiled eggs there, some vegetables put there, and me and Raymond's going to make a pot of tea here now and sit back and enjoy our brunch.
And see who can eat the most.
See who can eat the most, yeah. But one good thing about these bacon wrapped tater tots, you know, you could rewarm them after in the air fryer, or just pop them into your microwave if you need them. But this is it. This is as good as it gets. I'm going to roll it around here. And just look. Can you see yourself having this today? Yeah. So now I just got off to the side a dip. A little bit of mayo and some hot sauce. That's all you need to do. You don't have to do anything fancy, but I like to dip. I always got to have a little bit of a dip somewhere. I'm just going to have a little taste. Crispy, flavorful. I'm going to say drop the fork, delicious. If you're just looking for just something simple, or something that you would just bring on a nice appearance of an appetizer for your family or your friends, these are the way to go. We love scallops wrapped in bacon, and we got that on our show as well. But these here is a cheaper version, of course, than the scallops, and they're tasty, and you can serve them, like I said, for brunch or just because. 2 thumbs up. I can't wait for you to make them. Wash it down with a taste of my tea. So this is it, is as good as it gets. Just a simple recipe that we want to pop in here today just to show you, because we're making it for ourselves for brunch. Recipe, of course, is not much, but it'll be posted below. We'll share other links with you to familiar dishes, of course, and the bacon wrapped scallops we got there as well. Done in the air fryer. You can also do these on your barbecue or in the oven. And again, be mindful of the grease that's dripping out. Put it on a rack onto your cookie sheet if you're doing it in the oven. We also will share it with you on our Facebook page, on our website, www.BONITA'Skitchen.com, and of course, right here on YouTube. Remember, you can also send me a message at bonita'skitchen@gmail.com. Raymond will share that link with you if you're looking for a recipe, and or any recipe. So before we go, we'd like to do a big old shout out to our paid members. Thank you for supporting Bonita's Kitchen, and we so appreciate it. All of our subscribers, thank you. And to the ones that's going to subscribe today, we're going to say as well, thank you for subscribing, and we hope that you enjoy every recipe. One more thing before I go is our aprons is on there for you to purchase. If you like to have one of our custom made aprons made by our son Stephen at Walnort Gear. Our new cookbook, What's for Supper, and that's through Boulder Books, and we'll share those links with you. Absolutely perfect Christmas gifts, birthday gifts, or anniversary gifts, whatever you want to do, or sit down with a cup of tea and enjoy that cookbook. So that's it. On behalf of myself
And me, of course.
Raymond and our team, and from our kitchen to yours, thank you for joining us, and you
have a wonderful day.
Join us by the sea, a journey in culinary, always an open door. Bonita's Kitchen to yours. Bonita's Kitchen. To yours.
Hi, Bonita, here from Bonita's Kitchen. If you're visiting Newfoundland and Labrador, don't forget to check out St. John's and its surrounding communities. and join us again on Bonita's Kitchen.